The Chief Architect of Telangana, respected Sri K. Chandrasekhar Rao Garu, Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana State, esteemed dignitaries and as CEOs, industry leaders, my cabinet colleagues, legislators, media friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I deem it my special privilege to be able to deliver this welcome address on behalf of the Government of Telangana at this unique event to set in motion the Telangana State Industrial Policy and Web Portal for online application and the Telangana State Industrial Project Approval and Self-Certification System, together with release of Solar Power Policy document today in this enchanting capital city of Hyderabad, wherein delegates from far and wide have gathered to greet us, to inspire us, and to make this humble attempt of ours for fast-track industrialization a roaring success. I take pride to mention that it is the sheer good fortune of the Telangana community that they were gifted by their destiny, a leader who sees more than others see, who sees farther than others see, who sees before others see. That is our beloved Chief Minister Sri KCR. His down-to-the-earth approach believes that a pound of pluck is worth a ton of luck. His ardent craving for real acceleration of economy had laid foundation for our industrial policy. The unique combination of strengths of a massive talent pool and abundant natural resources on the one hand and a quite efficient and committed bureaucracy on the other have formed basis for our moves. Thus, the visionary stewardship of our beloved Chief Minister quickly took the mantle of being an opportunity maker both for the job seeker and also the manufacturing entrepreneur. As such, the new industrial policy has been formulated with scaling up of the ease of doing business at our heart. This envisages a step-by-step governmental assistance and also incentivization of new manufacturing units in this youngest entity. Nevertheless, transparency, accountability, and replacement of red tapeism with red carpet to be our watchword. It is delighting that this program has assumed the prime importance with scores of the stars and stalwarts connected with the industry and business across the country and abroad, illuminating this august gathering by their presence, both on the dais and off the dais. Many of these remarkable personalities have put up enormous efforts to join us to share the joy of the launch today. On behalf of the people and government of Telangana, I sincerely appreciate and acknowledge the same and offer you all our most respectful and warm welcome. I extend our wholehearted and humble welcome to the councillors and dignitaries of different countries who have graced this occasion by their kind presence and to pat us on this platform. We should go a long way in our solemn endeavor in the international marketplace. I also heartily welcome all the zealous and challenging men and women of business, industry and commerce and also prospective entrepreneurs who by their valuable presence have added color, flavor and meaningfulness to this event. The fact that many of such personalities took pains to travel long distances rightly stands testimony to tell us all just how crucial this event is. We feel honored greatly by their attendance. I also have immense pleasure in extending our wholehearted welcome to all the representatives of associations of industries across the state of Telangana and the other states, other individual industrialists, businessmen, academicians, researchers, and thought leaders whose enthusiastic participation is bound to enhance the richness and of today's program and turn this event a wonderful success. I once again seize this opportunity to thank profusely each and everyone for coming and for being part of this gala event so as to prepare us to be challenged, excited and inspired. Thank you very much.